Moin Leute and hello friends. So now back again with the F7A unit from Bachmann. You know from when you see my review, the Bachmann have only the upper nose light that shines. On prototypical we have a mask light, and here we have a headlight. This is a dummy. Now, after 20 minutes later, I hope you can see it by the light. Now here we have the mask light, and this upper light is, this down light is not a dummy, it shines. Easy light improvement makes this model more finer. Open the shell. Here you see the 4 screws and more. And here you see the backlight contacts of the Tsunami. Solder 2 wires to an SMD-LED. Put a tape on for the cable, the wire. And here you see the other headlight. I put in an SMD-LED and tape in. That's it, easy way. 15-20 minutes and you must program then the backlight forward. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Easy way. I hope you have fun. Bis denne.